Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips. Now today's video is a very special video dedicated to you, the members of the Alty crypto community, either on WhatsApp or Telegram. Now the Alty team has been working very hard to upgrade their platform behind the scenes. One such upgrade I want to make mention of would be the fact that Alty not only supports Bitcoin, Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, but we now support the Algorand blockchain. Now what that means is that you can send tips in Algo to your friends and other community members once they have onboarded to the Alty platform. Now for those who don't know what Algorand is a very fast, reliable blockchain made by some of the smartest minds in this space. It's definitely one of my top 10 blockchain projects, but please don't take that as any financial advice. Now the fees on Algorand are extremely low, and that makes it an ideal blockchain to send and receive USD Tether. Yes, you heard me correct. I'm talking about the Tether stablecoin, which lives on many blockchains including Ethereum, Omni, and also Algorand. So please make a note, all you community members out there, whenever you're sending tips back and forth of Tether, chances are you're going to be using the Tether that is natively run on top of the Algorand blockchain. Now if you're like me, you may be wondering, how can I deposit this kind of Tether to my Alty wallet? Not all exchanges support Tether on Algorand, but one exchange that I know that does it for sure is Kucoin. But other exchanges include Huobi, OKCoin and OKEx. So let me head over here to Kucoin and log in and show you guys how to do that. So this is what my main Kucoin account looks like. And as you can see, I would have just deposited about 50 USDt onto the account. Now to send these funds to my Alty wallet, I will go here and click withdraw. I will select USDt and I would choose the network that I want. Of course, in this case, it is going to be Algorand. So here now is where I'm going to paste my Alty Algorand wallet address. And to get that address, I would have to open up my mobile app. Now for some of you who would have seen my previous videos, you would know that this is my Alty wallet running on WhatsApp. So once I open the wallet, I type the command /wallet. And this shows me all of the commands that I can use using this wallet. As you can see here, I have a balance of 0 USDt at the moment. And when I type 1, I'm able to see my Algorand receiving address. This is the address that I will copy and paste on Kucoin. So now that I have the address copied, I'm going to go here and paste it in. I'm going to send myself around 10 USDt and I'm going to click confirm. Of course, I would have to get past the two-factor authentication. So once all of that is completed, I give the exchange a few minutes. And I head back over to my Alty wallet. I use the same command as before, /wallet. And here you can see my USDT has been successfully deposited onto my personal Alty account. Now I do not intend to do any other Alty commands in this video, as I would have done tutorials on those in the past, such as their tipping feature. But before I move off this screen, I just want you guys to make a note of the changes made to the ticker symbol in the Alty wallet for Tether. As you can see here, it is capital U, capital S, capital D, common T, and that refers to your Algorand Tether. Now to the best of my understanding, the Ethereum version of Tether may still be usable on your Alty wallet, but the ticker symbol for that Tether is going to use capital T instead of a common T. But of course, you all will wait for official word from the Alty team, as they are the best ones to advise you of these changes. Now that brings me to the end of this video. Now if you have never used Kucoin before, it is a very nice exchange with reasonable trading volume. And you can find many cryptocurrencies on this exchange. Now if you want to help support this channel, you can feel free to use my referral code in the description below. Thank you for watching.